Hey guys, this is LeMay BMX, just here with Bike Check. I got some Colt Vans grips. ODI helped them make them. I got some, I keep forgetting the brake lever, sorry guys. Avid. I need to remember that. Then I got an animal brake cord, and right here I got some ranch bars. I forgot the size just because just been a while. Then I got some stolen stem, then a stock SE headset. Then I just got some spacers in there. I got stock SE forks, got Odyssey tires, stolen revolver rims. Then over here we got frame, which is an SE Wildman. I don't like it at all, but I'm getting away the people one. Then I got an amber cranks, Thermalite pedals, stolen sprocket. Really, I like it. It's nice. Then I got Colt. I can't believe I just forgot that. Colt chain. Sorry. Then I got Pivotal Colt seat. I forgot the seat post just because it's been a while since I got it. Then I got exposure brakes. I like them. They're nice.
Same setup as the front.
I just need to get some new pads just because they squeak and I don't like it at all. They don't stop that well, but you know, that's what I get for not changing them out. Odyssey tires again, stolen revolver rims, and I forgot what the tabs were.
Really nice though.
I like them. I like having gription on it, just not the crappy plastic ones. And then I just got a regular Specialized tubes in here. There we go. I forgot what brand it is, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and have a nice day.